we are spending money like it's going out of style. I mean, we're putting the $700 billion into the banks, and we get assets in exchange, so it's an asset exchange. But assuming that we lose money on that, which we don't always do on those kind of bailouts, but we may lose a substantial amount of money, and then we're going to have a stimulus package, which I support, to try to get the real economy going again. And we're going to end up, this comes on top of what was a $455 billion deficit already last year. So these are just huge numbers we're talking about. Now, one possibility is that this would mean the federal government would be in danger of defaulting and people would fly from Treasury securities. That does not seem to be the case. If anything, we've had a flight to Treasury securities and some rise in the dollar, at least since its low point. So I don't think any of the things that are being done now have the immediate effect of undermining the value of Treasury securities. But if we keep going and we have the Medicare and Social Security spending rising as it will, then that it becomes a significant danger. And if we put it off until the markets are signaling we have a significant default probability on Treasuries, that's too late. That's something we need to do now. Now, the actual policy you follow is a little hard, because if you announce we're going to do a stimulus package, we're going to give you tax cuts, but next year or 2 years from now we're going to raise your taxes, then that tends to limit the effectiveness of the stimulus package. So I think this has to be done sort of subtly to try to say the first priority is get the economy back on track. Once the economy is back on track, we have to have reimpose some fiscal discipline. I was in a web exchange yesterday, and someone said, do you want to balance the budget 4 years from now? Probably not. I don't think you should aim to balance the budget 4 years from now, but I do think you should aim to maybe 8 years from now or over some clearly laid out time horizon, get targets for the deficit to come down. Not obviously to put you in a straitjacket if there are more cyclical ups and downs, but that the budget adjusted for the business cycle should be on a track to decline. I think that's essential, and that involves a lot of stuff around the entitlements, which I don't have a solution to, but there has to be some approach to.